Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing. I have here something from Cladis 3D Studio. It is the Mini Verk. I got it because I love mini things, and yeah, once I saw it I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So yeah, instant buy. Cladis 3D Studio is coming out with like a lot of stuff lately. The buttons, the collaboration with Magnus, and now the Mini Verks, and just like a lot of stuff. Yeah, so let us jump right into it. You might notice that the tape is already like done. Well, I forgot that they put the invoice right on top, and the invoice shows my address. So I opened it, and this is like right now this is the immediate next take. So yeah, I just opened it, and there was the paper, yeah, that had my address, and yeah, so this is the next take, and I have not looked at the Mini Verk, so now we shall look at the Mini Verk. Yeah, so join me in looking at the Mini Verk. I really gotta remember that they do that, so that I can, yeah, remove that paper. Alrighty then. Dun 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 dun. I don't know why that was necessary, but it was. The card is bigger than the Mini Verk. There's their card. Oh, I like it. This is the Mini Verk in blurple. That's the color. It is nice. You can kind of see the edges of purple on it. Same strength magnets, which I think is excellent. I'm so far away again. I wish I knew more tricks. But it does do. It's nice. I like it. It moves. So I got other colors. I got green, nice little minty green, And I got pink. And now I got blurple. What a beautiful lineup of colors. Whoops. Huh. Yeah, this one moves. I guess because it's smaller and the magnets are strong, have like a better, stronger force. Whereas sometimes the pink one will flop off. Or maybe that's my hands. But lettuce and tomato. Get my piece of foam. Tear it. Bloop. So, 21.4. Huh. Oh, that's not. Let's weigh them all. Ooh, almost. Oh. All right, well, no. 20, okay. My scale is haunted. Okay, so it's 21. It can drink. This is 27. I don't know why this is so entertaining. Okay, anyway. So there's a difference of like 5 grams between them. 5-6 grams between them. Lettuce. Shoop. Wee. So it's about 40 millimeters long and 25. So it's 45 by 25 by 15. Although there's the X shape, so at the thickest part is 16. It's another millimeter. Yeah, 16. Compared to $47.3. by 27.4. So this one has more exact dimensions. I am loving this Mini Verk. When you move it, it feels more... There's more of a pull, I guess. Because there's more force that you have to use. Just a little bit more force. Ah! So in a way, it feels solid. I'm just playing with these now. I am like intensely fascinated by the Mini Verk. Let's look at the plates. The plates are nice. Is this like dust in between? Clean that out. Sorry, guys. You know I'm crazy about this stuff. Alright. Well, whatever. Ah. How it slides. Slides very well. Get yourself a Mini Verk. If you enjoy the Verk, you will enjoy the Mini Verk. I think he's got orange ones now too. So there's like blurple, blurple, orange. Maybe he'll come out with new colors. This is just fun. Now it's a sandwich. Okay. Can't use it as well left-handed. But I think this is everything. I have showed you the action of the Mini Verk. It is, ouch. It's just great. It's so much fun. Like, damn, it's so much fun. Okay. Yeah. It is, let me show you, I guess. Alright, here's a pen. And the Mini Verk is tiny. And A+, Class 3D Studio, you're really coming out with some great stuff. So cool. All right. This is the end now. What do you guys think? Are you guys gonna get a Mini Verk, or do you already have one? Let me do another size comparison real quick while it's on my brain. Here's the wrapped. It's a little bit smaller than the wrapped. Yeah. A little bit thicker, but shorter. If that will help you guys with your size comparisons. But yeah, I definitely think that you should get one if you're thinking about it. It's got some good clicks. It's fun, it's portable, it's going in my pocket. It is addicting. Okay. And this, okay, it's really the end now. It's really the end. Okay, okay. Talk about it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. And please like this video if please like the video and please subscribe. It really helps if you want to see more content like this. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day or night, and I will see you in the next video. Alright guys, I will see you again. Have a great time. Bye.